If Capital One is closing your account, it is essential to act quickly to resolve the issue. The first step is to contact Capital One customer service to understand the reason for the account closure. This can be done by calling the phone number on the back of your card or by visiting the Capital One website and using the online chat feature. When speaking with a representative, ask for a clear explanation of why your account is being closed. Common reasons for account closure include inactivity, negative credit history, or suspicious activity. If the reason is due to inactivity, you can try to resolve the issue by making a transaction on your account. This can be as simple as making a purchase or paying a bill. If the reason is due to negative credit history, you may need to work on improving your credit score. This can be done by making on-time payments, reducing debt, and monitoring your credit report for errors. If the reason is due to suspicious activity, you will need to verify your identity and confirm that the transactions on your account are legitimate. To prevent your account from being closed in the future, it is essential to maintain a positive account history. This can be done by making regular transactions, keeping your account balanced, and monitoring your account activity regularly. Additionally, you can take steps to prevent account closure by setting up account alerts, which will notify you of any suspicious activity or low balance. You can also consider setting up automatic payments to ensure that your bills are paid on time. By following these steps, you can resolve the issue and prevent your account from being closed. It is essential to act quickly and work with Capital One to resolve the issue and maintain a positive account history. In some cases, Capital One may not be willing to reinstate your account. If this is the case, you may need to consider opening a new account with a different bank. However, by working with Capital One and maintaining a positive account history, you can often resolve the issue and keep your account open. It is also important to note that if your account is closed due to negative credit history, you may need to work on improving your credit score before you can open a new account. This can be done by making on-time payments, reducing debt, and monitoring your credit report for errors. By following these steps and maintaining a positive account history, you can prevent your account from being closed and maintain a good relationship with Capital One.